What's going on, guys? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans, and today we're going to be tuning Cool Whip the Mustang. Now it's been a long journey here. We got Dr. RJ over there behind on the keyboard. We're about to do some remote tuning. There's the phone call right there. Wish us luck.
Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
Pretty big day here for old Backyard Shenanigans, guys. Wish us luck. And honestly, guys, drop a comment if you guys think I should clean this shop up a little bit. Good Lord. Dusty girl in here.
And at this moment, he knew. He messed up. Minutes later.
Later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later.
Fuel pressure sensor failed, but we switched it out. So here we go, round 2.
Go easy. You got it ready to log? Go. All right, go. You're done.
Hey, you're done. All right, dudes. So went well. We got a 3-pound wastegate spring in there. Yeah, ish. But you know, all the Amazon sensors I bought. Took a dive today. Our dome pressure sensor was pegged at 109 pounds. It's a 0 to 100 pound pressure.
Somebody said I told you so.
It wasn't this guy. And then our fuel pressure sensor also took a shit. I guess I'm gonna have to order some good ones, like some Rifes or something. But hey, sweetheart. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully Cool Whip's out ripping soon. Catch you on the next video.